If you want to unlink your Peacock account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps. This process will help you manage your account connections effectively. Step 1. Log into Peacock. Visit the Peacock website or open the Peacock app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile icon or a menu option. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. This section will display all the accounts linked to your Peacock profile, including Facebook. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option within the Linked Accounts section. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click this option to remove the connection between your Peacock account and Facebook. Step 5. Confirm the action. After clicking to unlink, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the unlinking process. Once confirmed, the Peacock account will no longer be connected to Facebook. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Peacock account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Peacock's customer support.